Nandito kami sa Kawasaki. Sa bahay ng kaibigan ko. Nandito kami sa 6th floor. So, ito yung view. Outside, sa veranda nila. Yan. This is a government house. Danchi. Some mansion. But I don't know this other side. This area, other side. My airplane. Yeah. So nice to see here. Now is around 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So today is September 22, 2024. The airplane. Dito sa Kawasaki. Magandang weather. Kaya ng umaga maulan. And then sa ibang area, sobrang lakas ng ulan. Malaki yung ano nila dito, veranda. Malaki ang veranda nila. Yuri, abo na yo. You will fall down. Malaki yung space ng veranda nila. Ganda. Yuri, abo na. Hindi ko alam kung sa kabila part pa rin yung government house. I think yung kabila parang private. Private. Ibang kulay na kasi. Private. I don't know that other building there. Oh my God. Why oh my God? Yuri-chan, why oh my God? Huh? Huh? Not there. Oh my God, Yuri-chan. Only me and Yuri-chan is here. My son is in the house because my husband is there. No work today. But always have work. Have work. Even though it's Sunday, have work. Ganda ng pagkano niya. Yuri, urusay. Nandito si Yuri-chan makulit. Ayan si Yuri-chan. Hello! Ayan si Yuri-chan makulit. Yeah, Papa, no work today. Yasumi. Yasumi desu. Shigoto nai. Yasumi desu. How about Yuri-chan? Shigoto aru? Nai? Ganda. Yun ang pangmasdan. Andun yung sunset sa kabila. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Ganda ng clouds. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Arigatou gozaimashita.